show you how to play the 19th century Fanny Crosby hymn, Blessed Assurance. Favorite of people all over, all generations. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction. You're in the key of D. So you do have two sharps, and there's F sharp and C sharp, and then there's an extra G sharp thrown in there a couple places. So we'll start off with D, E, F sharp, G, E, D, E, C sharp, D. And in the left hand we're going to have the G chord, G, B, D, A and E, open fifth, and then D, A, D. And we'll finish it out with the D chord in the right hand, F sharp, A, D. So the introduction will sound like. Go into the melody with F sharp, E, D, A, G, A, B, A, F sharp, A, D, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, A. There's that G sharp. We've got an E chord right there, an E major chord. Then we've got F sharp, E, D, A, G, A, B, A, D, E, F sharp, G, E, D, E, C sharp, D. The chorus will be A, D, A, B, 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 A, B, D, C sharp, B, C sharp, C sharp, D, E, D, A, B, A, B, A, D, E, F sharp, G, C sharp, D. So we'll put the left hand with it. Those notes by themselves. D chord, D, F sharp, A. Then we go to the G chord with the G in the middle, G, B, D, D on the bottom, D, G, B. Here's your G chord. 1, 3, 5, and we put the D on the bottom. Back to the D chord, and we'll break it up. D, F sharp, A, A. Now we're going to a B minor sound. B, D, F sharp. And then we're going to go just to an E in the bass, to an E chord, and then to an A arpeggio, A, C sharp, E, A. In the bass we'll go from a B, D, F sharp to an E, G sharp, B, down to A, C sharp, E, A. So together from the beginning that will sound like this. I'll go slowly. We'll do it again. Then we change here. There you go to an E minor sound. E, G, B. To an open fifth, A, E. There's your A chord, A, E, and here's your C sharp. See, there's your chord. Like the introduction, D, A, D, F sharp, A, D. Then we go to the chorus. So on the left hand we're just going to have D, F sharp, A, D, G, B, D, F sharp, A. Back to the B minor sound and break it up, B, D, F sharp. Back, and then we play that E major again. E, G sharp, B. And the A arpeggio, A, C sharp, E, A. Those are by themselves, C sharp, D, E. Back to the D chord. The the G chord with the G in the middle. E minor. And then you can go back and play another verse. And once you get to the end, if you want to do a final ending, and you can hold these back. Just repeat that last phrase slowly. And then go up to the E and set it down. Go up to the E. And then D, E, C sharp. And rather than going down right there, stay right here and you can get the arpeggio. So you got D, E, C sharp. End with the D arpeggio. There you have Blessed Assurance's favorite congregational number all over the country. Hope you enjoy singing it and playing it.